Hey, it's Jeff Kidder, back with KidderCards.com. We're in the middle of a 4-box 2013 Press Pass Racing break. And let me tell you, tonight the mojo is flowing. We've opened 3 boxes so far. We've gotten 3 autographs. We've gotten Cup Chase contest cards, counting probably more than 5 so far, I believe, out of 3 boxes. Unbelievable hits. Let's keep on going. We're in the middle of box number 3 right now. Here's a Stenhouse Jr. Bush. Class of 2013, Leonard Wood. Black and white Edwards. Harvick. Gordon. Bain. Martin. Gordon. Patrick, black and white. Allgaier. Rudiman. McDowell. Edwards. Montoya. Patrick, black and white. Ty Dillon. Malsom. Stewart. Edwards. Cool Persistence, Denny Hamlin. Black and white, Truex Jr. Montoya. Ambrose, pit crew. Busch, Kyle Busch. Kyle Busch again. Racing Champions, Hamlin. And a black and white of Keselowski. Alright, let's grab the second stack of box 3 here. Truex Jr. Ryan Truex. Truex Jr. Patrick. Patrick again. Black and white of Almirola. Kane. Patrick. Earnhardt Jr. Keselowski. Joey Logano, blue. 14 of 35. 14 of 35. Joey Logano. Tom. It's you again. 14 of 35. Joey Logano. Nice hit. Blue. 14 of 35. Logano. Beautiful. Harvick, black and white. Pastrana. Ambrose. Stewart. Pit crew for Edwards. Kyle Busch. Black and white checklist. Austin Dillon. Newman. Pit crew card of Kane. Blaney. Racing Champions, Ambrose. Black and white of Kurt Busch. Earnhardt Jr. Mears. Martin. Burton. Lofton. Pit crew, black and white, Tony Stewart. Johnson. McMurray. Hornaday Jr., Edwards, Johnson, black and white of Busher, Hamlin, Earnhardt Jr., Almirola, Kligerman, Castle, black and white of Johnson, Peters, Hornish Jr., another checklist, Harvick, Racing Champions Keselowski, black and white of Edwards, Kenseth, Newman, Edwards, pit crew for Stewart, Kurt Busch, and a black and white of Castle. Alright, last stack here of box number 3, and then we'll get to the burning rubber cards, or who knows, Johnson, could be something else. Witt, Sadler, Kurt Busch, Labonte, black and white of Truex Jr., Earnhardt Jr., Kyle Busch, pit crew Hamlin, pit crew Kyle Busch, Racing Champions Biffle, black and white of Long, Harvick, Harvick again, Long, Truex Jr., Earnhardt Jr., black and white of Stewart, Pluto, Reagan, Boyer, Stewart, Cool Persistence, Danica Patrick, Gordon, black and white, Bain, Smith, Busher, Biffle, Gordon, Biffle, black and white, Harvick, Gordon, Stewart, Edwards, Racing Champions Stewart, black and white Labonte, Rudiman, McDowell, Kyle Busch, Kyle Busch again, Malsom, black and white of Kurt Busch, Ty Dillon, Allgaier, Kane, Kyle Busch, Cup Chase Contest, Denny Hamlin, Tom, Denny Hamlin, Cup Chase Contest card, there you go. Nice hit there. Sadler, black and white, Montoya, Ambrose, pit crew card, Nemechek. Wise. Johnson pit crew card. Black and white of Kyle Busch pit crew card. Menard. Almirola. Gordon. Logano. Gordon pit crew card. And black and white Dale Earnhardt Jr. Alright, let's arrange these here. Alright, here's a Kligerman, black and white. Lofton, black and white. This one Lofton here, I just noticed this right down the left side. Looks like I got pinched in the pack. You can see a whole bunch of creases on that left side there. Just want to let you know. I think Lofton, was that Justin Lofton? That's John. John, just want to let you know that left side of that card is all crimped. Looks like from the pack. Just noticed that. It's on the back too. I guess it went through the card. You can see it pretty good on the back. Just letting everybody know. I did not do that. That was the crimping process that they closed the packs with. Burton. Waltrip. Gilliland. There's a couple more crimped cards here, guys. First time I've seen this out of Press Pass. Earnhardt, also the same way. You can see it big time on the left side. Yeah, something happened. This one's on the right side of the card because it was upside down. Pit crew for Kyle Busch. It's on this side. Can't really see it very well, but it's there. Yeah, it's very strange. I haven't seen it. I mean, we opened a bunch of these boxes, and this is the first time I've seen it. This is at the top of this one, Sadler card. This one's at the very top of it. You can see kind of the crimp. Very, very strange. Okay, let's get to the burning rubber. How about a Casey Kane? You know what? This one's got a little bit of a crimp on the right of it too. Casey Kane burning rubber. 57 of 199. From the New Hampshire race in July. 57 of 199. Casey Kane burning rubber. This right side where you can see the crimp marks. Impressions down the right side of the card, right on the front. I don't know if it's on the back or not. Yep, it's on the back too. You can really see it on the back. It's a nice card, just that it's got that little crimping on the right. Just want to point that out to you guys. It's a pretty cool tire too. I'm not sure exactly. I assume that's chalk mark they write on the tires when they pull them off. Pretty sweet looking tire. Looks like chalk, I would guess. Don't quote me on that. I'm no expert. 57 of 199. Casey Kane burning rubber. Casey Kane. It's John. That's you, John. Another burning rubber card. And the other burning rubber card, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Second one of the three boxes. 165 of 199. 165 of 199, Dale Earnhardt Jr. from his win in Michigan. If I see any crimping on this one, I'm looking, not really noticing if there's any impressions on the sides of this card. This one looks fairly clean, I believe. Again, that's just my opinion. May or may not be, but it's 165, 199, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Mike, yeah, buddy, that's you again. Congratulations. It's a little gray there on the tire at the top. Lighter color of the black. But that is nice hits for box number 3. One box to go. Alright. Last box. I picked this one. It's actually got a piece of foil stuck to it. Alright, let's move on here. I like the easy decision boxes. I don't have to choose. And it's the Power Pick pack. Alright. Empty box. Count the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's 30 packs. I'm situated here so they don't all fall down. Yeah, if you guys want me to list another 4-box break of this stuff, I'd be more than happy to put it up there. You guys got to let me know if you're interested. I'll list again. We've sold out our first 3. I don't see why we wouldn't sell out the 4th one, especially after the boxes we just broke tonight. Kind of get ramped up and ready to go for the Daytona 500, or the, what is it? The Bud Shootout is now the Sprint Unlimited. It is now called the Sprint Unlimited at Daytona. No longer called the Bud Shootout. I have to do a contest for that one somehow, some way. We'll figure something out. That's going to be a fun one. No, I don't think we've pulled any 3 or 4 wide relics. We pulled an O from the Goodyear tire of Casey Kane. I don't remember the numbering. I know it was numbered out of 8, of course, but I don't remember if it was 4 or 5 of 8. I think it was 4. But no, we haven't pulled any 3 or 4 wide relics yet. Tonight could be the night, though. Just some sweet boxes. Cup Chase contest cards all over the place. 3 autographs and 3 boxes. Unheard of. Out of base cards, base NASCAR cards, and all those hits coming out. Really, really sweet. There's one. Oh, that's right. We did have a plate auto. It was autographed too. I believe it was Cole Witt. Had a printing plate. That was a sweet card. If you guys want to look at any of those pictures, check out my timeline on Twitter. I believe you can still see the pictures if you just click on my icon. I think it says K Cards as the icon. And they're Kidder Cards. You can look at all the pictures there. You gotta scroll past the football and stuff first. Oh, did you get it this week? Awesome, Tom. It's a sweet card. Sure thing, buddy. My pleasure. I'm glad we got it for you. It's exciting. I love these NASCAR cards. These are awesome. Yeah, I think it, well, no, I don't think the Cole Witt printing plate was New Year's Eve, I believe. I think that was last time. Was that the last time we broke NASCAR? I don't know, we've broken so many times, I can't recall. They all run together for me. Alright, packs are busted. Let's see what's in the Power Pick pack. Start off with a numbered hit here. Let's see what we have. Kurt Busch. Kurt Busch, 30 of 99. 30 of 99. Kurt Busch. That's John. Gets the Power Pick. Kurt Busch. These are glossy, glossy cards, these Power Pick cards. 30 of 99. Congratulations. Congratulations, John. Alright, let's start box number 4. So Paluto, Reagan, Wise, Johnson Pit Crew card, Kane, Johnson Black and White, Hornaday Jr., Bain, Smith, Pit Crew card for Gordon, Nemechek, Black and White Pit Crew for Casey Kane, Johnson, McMurray, Kurt Busch, Labonte, Logano, Black and White Kyle Busch, Hamlin, Earnhardt Jr., Kyle Busch Pit Crew card, Sadler, oh my God, Ryan Newman autograph, 6 of 25. Man, I remember we pulled a Ryan Newman, I think it was 21 of 25 in one of our breaks. 6 of 25. Newman! Ryan Newman. John has Ryan Newman. 6 of 25. This is unbelievable. 4th box in a row. Autograph. 6 of 25. Ryan Newman for John. Where is John? I don't even see John tonight. Wow, 6 of 25. Unbelievable. Well, John's going to have to watch these videos on YouTube here later. See everything he got. Black and White Menard. Unbelievable. 4th box in a row with an autograph. Almirola. Gordon. Martin. Gordon. Class of 2013. Cotton Owens. Edwards Black and White. That Edwards has got a line across it. Just want to point that out. Whoever has Carl Edwards, Black and White, it's got a line right across his hairline, just above his forehead. Witt, Menard, Edwards, Montoya, Bain, Edwards Black and White, Kyle Busch, Pit Crew card, Hamlin, Johnson, Stewart, Edwards, Black and White, Kyle Busch, Earnhardt Jr., Kyle Busch, Kyle Busch, again, Malsum, Cool Persistence, Kevin Harvick, Black and white Witt. Boyer. Harvick. Harvick again. Kyle Busch. Racing Champions. Casey Kane. Truex Jr. Black and white. Earnhardt Jr. Truex Jr. Ryan Truex. Edwards. Johnson. Alright, second stack here. Black and white Kenseth. Kane. Patrick. Almirola. Kligerman. Castle. Black and white of Gilliland. Pit crew card. Casey Kane. Pastrana. Ambrose. Harvick. Racing Champions. Logano. Black and white pit crew. Hamlin. Austin Dillon. Newman. Pit crew. Stewart. Busch. Checklist. Black and white of Smith. Johnson. Pit crew. Earnhardt Jr. Patrick. Patrick again. Edwards. Black and white of Boyer. Harvick. Gordon. Keselowski. Truex Jr. Here's an over-the-wall pit crew card. Marcos Ambrose. 33 of 35. That's pretty sweet looking right there. 33 of 35. For Marcos Ambrose. Tom, another blue one for you. Marcos Ambrose for Tom. 33 of 35. Nice hit for Tom. Harvick black and white. Rudiman. McDowell. Stewart. Pit crew card. Carl Edwards. Kyle Busch. Black and white of Eric Almirola. There's Ty Dillon. Allgaier. Lofton. Blaney. Racing Champions. Biffle. Black and white. Kyle Busch.